Let's start by preheating the oven to 210 degrees Celsius or 410 degrees Fahrenheit. To make these muffins egg-free, bloom 30 grams of milled flaxseed in 180 grams of hot water for 5 minutes. Next, add the following to a blender: 210 grams of strawberries, stem removed, zest of 1 orange, 120 grams of vegetable oil, 1 medium banana, which is about 80 grams, 90 grams of pitted dates, and 3 flax eggs or just 3 chicken eggs. Blend until smooth. In a separate bowl, combine your dry ingredients: 300 grams of flour, 12 grams of baking powder, 3 grams of bicarbonate of soda or baking powder. Now combine the dry and wet ingredients and add in 8 grams of lemon juice. Mix the batter until just combined. Do not overmix or your muffins may turn out tough. Here's a crucial step. Let the batter rest for 15 to 45 minutes before baking. This helps create beautifully domed muffins. This recipe makes 12 cupcake-sized muffins, so line your cupcake tin with paper or silicone liners and distribute the batter evenly. Bake at 210 degrees Celsius or 410 degrees Fahrenheit for 5 minutes, then lower the temperature to 185 degrees Celsius or 365 degrees Fahrenheit and bake for another 13 minutes. To check the doneness, insert a skewer. If it comes out clean, they're ready. Let them cool completely in the tin before removing. And that's it! Your sugar-free, egg-free, and dairy-free muffins are ready to be enjoyed. You can even dress them up with vegan or non-vegan chocolate ganache and fresh fruit to turn them into a full-blown dessert.